Hi, welcome to Scotty Wandering. My name is Peter, and I got another Dane County Park campground review for you. What you need to know about this park is there is a massive area over there for trailer storage for your boats and the boat ramp. They have a couple boat ramps going, put you off into the lake system here at the top of the Yahara River going down through McFarland. That's where we are. We're in McFarland, just outside of Madison, just south of the Beltline. So it's a fairly convenient spot. Water levels here can fluctuate greatly. This area where those geese are earlier this year, you could stand there. Water levels are high right now. Things have changed quite a bit. Big fishing area here. Lots of people come by to fish. The other side of the dam over there just lined with fishermen, and that's where the campground is. So we're going to go over there and check out the campground. And this is Babcock County Park in McFarland. I forgot to mention that. Now I'm here mid-April. The park has just opened. One of the reasons that they almost have to open it mid-April is the Midwest Horse Fair just up the street in Madison is this coming weekend. So they almost have to open this up before that. It's kind of like the state parks have to be open mid-May, so they're open and running before Memorial Day weekend. So this side of the bathhouse up there is open to everybody coming and going. Parking area over here. Dane County police boat lives there. So there'll be their presence here quite regularly. And then there's this little canal that comes in behind the campground that is quite popular with fishermen. Now all sites here are not created equal. It's a simple little loop. All sites are the same size, with some back up to that, while others back up to that. And that's a pretty busy road going by. Now I know they've been working hard on these restrooms the past couple weeks. All right, well, we're starting from the beginning here, which is actually by the restroom. Dump station here. And then we'll start off with one is the accessible site. Across from that is the camp host. So one side of these are along the road and one side is more towards the river. Two over here, these are fairly long sites with electric. Let's see, three over here. Got the crew still cleaning up for the season. Now, not all of these are going to have the power where you want them, so you may need some extensions. If your power's over there and you need to pick it up over there at 5, that's going to be a challenge. Same thing with 4, power's between 4 and 6. It's in the middle there. Same thing on all of these. So 7, it's on the right side, 9, it's on the wrong side. These are all pretty straightforward sites. So 8, this power comes out there, runs all the way over, behind the tree, across the entire campsite to there for next to 10. 10's easy. 11, easy. 13, you got to run all the way over. 12, got to run all the way over. 13, easy. 14's easy. All the sites look pretty much identical. 15, I guess you can look at the trees to tell the difference. 16, that's 16 and 18 currently are incredibly soggy. That's going to be a tough one. It's kind of fun to wade in to hook up your power. So take extra care there. 17 is underneath, but not so as far away as some others, but the space between is pretty tight. 18, easy hookup, but right now in the underwater. 20, your fire ring is underwater, but this stuff will dry out. And you have to run power under. That would be 22 is the easy side. 19, easy side. 21, you got to run across, you have the extensions. Now, one advantage to this campground is you got a supper club right there, if that's what you're looking for. 24, it's a long run over to the power. 23, you got your own pedestal, yay. And 25, right here on the corner, quick trip across the street, BP there, restaurant over there, and that's 25. And Maple Tree Supper Club right next door, and Culver's over there. So plenty of things to wander off to within easy walking distance. So you've got the roadside, obviously, and then the other side isn't really back up to the canal. I guess it is almost. But you have all of this green space behind amongst the trees to enjoy and catch some sun and some shade. Playground back here. Like I said, I'm heading off to the water. We'll check that out. All right, back side of the playground. The little canal behind. You can sit and watch the ducks. All right, so that's the campground tour at Babcock County Park in McFarland, Wisconsin, Dane County Park, just outside of Madison. Easy access to the Coliseum for major events there, and that's why it's open now, is for the horse fair coming up this weekend in the middle of April. Hope you got something out of that. It's one of 5 campgrounds. You can look at my previous videos and find the other 4 campgrounds within Dane County. This one, probably the simplest one, kind of straightforward here, but it has a little more amenities than, say, the one up by Blue Mounds, Brigham Campground or County Park up there. So, hope you got something out of this. Get out and enjoy our public lands. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.